I'm there on the bus at Tower Bridge. Look like it's a boat that come through or something that come through. No, what's it? Oh, and the boat there will come. So we're there, so stuck now. Work me again and we get stuck, you know. We wait for that for that come back down. No, are the old pirate boat there come. They're behind the warship there. They're behind the warship there. I soon see it. Can you imagine that somebody downstairs that cuss the driver? When you want the driver to take out the bus and carry go over there? See, there come. And nothing. Them the one they jump off of the bus all over there. And then can't go no further. Just watch. See two of them there? Let me see how them are pass. Alright now. Let me see how them are pass it so. Can't pass it so. You see? How far them have to go all the way back down now. To come round. You do man downstairs of course. So the Uber boat there, they carry people up and down on the Thames. 20 pound fair trip. So the whole one are coming away. Can you imagine that make me have to there so for how long? I go late for work now, 6 o'clock. Now I'm mission I start work 6. And no, I don't start 7 or 6 now, so I'm early. See yeah? The old boat that you know. Mad. That's a good about 100 year old you see there you know. See there, gone. So this is the River Thames, see, road block. People. And the other side. Bridge will go down back now. Bridge will go back now. The next boat there. Them are the party boat. see this still, you know. I'm just so close to it. I work and see it already, but first I actually see it. So, people. Bridge always busy.